Hi, and welcome to this short tutorial on how to program Quantlab server-side. So if you want to open a development studio and work in that without necessarily opening and creating a workspace, you can use the secretive /large L and together with debug equals true to open an environment directly to start coding. So you can do that from the command line. And here you can then open and make a new session, which would be like a program, and then start coding your server code. And once you save that server code, you can then run that as directly from the command line. So I will just show you mine. Okay, so once you're in the coding environment, you can also open an old session, open, and then, for instance, I have this code that will send emails, and we can now try this out by right-clicking on the function that you want to run, and then execute this function directly from this little prompt. So we will send an email to this address, press run, and this code will execute. And you can put breakpoints in there as usual. So if you press run and have a breakpoint, you will end up at the breakpoint. So this is a way to debug and check server-side code without actually having to build a workspace environment. So going back to that command line, what is very convenient is that you can make a shortcut and then you can start your Quantlab with big L and then directly to the QL file that you were working on. And from that, you can then start your server directly from the command line.